Hi, boys and girls. We're going to be reading in our Unit 3 Journeys Decodable Reader. This is Grade 1, and we're now in Lesson 12, and we're doing the first story, and it's called Scratch, Chomp, and it's on page 27. So before we do it, we're going to go ahead and practice some CH words. So let's do that right now. I'll turn this book over like this. Whoa, and we shall practice. Okay, so remember what CH says? Ch. And you're going to see this word in your book a lot. So let's read that one. It's ch, omp, chomp, chomp. Okay, how about this one? Ch, ch, unk, chunk, chunk, chunk. Um, can you give me a chunk of that bread? Chunk. And here we have, what does that sound make? CH spells what sound? Ch. It's a digraph. That means two letters make one sound. It's a digraph. Ch, ch, imp, ch, imp. Chimp, like a chimpanzee. Okay. Then finally one more. I just changed that over. So that says ch, amp, ch, amp, champ. He won the race. He's the champ. So sometimes CH is at the beginning of a word. Okay? And sometimes it's at the end and it has a TCH in front of it. A T in front of the CH, I should say. So like this one, there's a CH, but it also has a T that's silent. And this says catch, catch, because TCH makes one sound. Ch. Same sound as that, just a CH. Okay, here's one. I think that's going to be in our story. So let's get this one down. Oh, it starts with a triple cluster. SCR. There's three consonants in a row, and it says skr, 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 scratch, scratch, scratch. That's funny. These three make their different sounds, but those three consonants make their different sounds, but these three letters make one sound. Ch. Okay. English is so confusing sometimes. Okay, let's do this. Oh, it's in the same family. There's the atch, atch, and this one ends with atch. So, atch, hatch. The little baby chicks are going to hatch. Okay. So that's our little phonics lesson. And now we're going to read our story. Okay. The name of this story is Scratch, Chomp. Chuck and his dad went off on a trip. At Finch Pond, Chuck and his dad played catch. Chuck has a fast pitch. Okay, so that's fun. They went to Finch Pond. That's a proper noun. That's a special name for this pond. Finch Pond. I know a finch is a kind of bird, so maybe a lot of finches live over there. And they went over there to play catch. Chuck and his dad. Okay, let's continue reading. Ready? Dad can catch, but Dad did not catch this pitch. Oh, it went way high up there. You never miss, Dad. Why did you miss? Chuck asks. I hear scratch, scratch, chomp, chomp. Do you? Asks Dad. Yes. Scratch, scratch, chomp, chomp. What is it? Asks Chuck. Scratch, 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 chomp, chomp, chomp. Can Chuck and Dad find out what is scratching and chomping? Looks like they're going to go out and investigate. Oops, there's some evidence right there. There's some wood chips down here, and something has scratched, scratched, chomped, chomped that trunk of that tree. Scratch, scratch, chomp, chomp. Chuck and Dad can see a stump and lots of chips. So a tree that looks like that without branches is called a stump. A big brown lump is in the pond. See this right here? They're talking about that big brown lump. Oh, look. The lump has an animal on it. This animal can scratch, scratch, scratch. It can chop, 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 chop. It can chomp, chomp, chomp. Can you tell what it is? What is it? Is that a beaver? Yes, it is. And you see all these? Maybe those were the branches from the stump that you saw back here. Maybe he took them off and added them to his little den that he has in the middle of the pond. Okay, well, boys and girls, you can click on the link underneath this one so that you can read this in the slides, this story in the slides. If you still need some practice, go ahead and watch this video again. Thank you for listening.